On today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today we're inside of a new section in our Moccasin module. This is going to be the Moccasin favorites intro to Moccasin testing. So let's dive right in. In this section, we will begin our introduction to Moccasin testing. We have our contract, but what we haven't done is test it yet. So let's get it started with that. Testing is the most important thing we can do as a smart contract developer, and it shows that our code works as expected and helps us catch bugs before they go live. In this section, we will cover the basics of testing in Viper using the Moccasin framework. We will start with simple tests and gradually move to more and more complex scenarios. By the end of this section, we will have a solid understanding of how to write and run tests for our Viper contracts using Moccasin. The good thing is that the AI has made it easier than ever to write tests. We will see how to leverage AI tools to help us write effective tests quickly. So let's dive in and start writing some tests. Moccasin has a built-in testing framework that makes it easy to get started. This framework is called PyTest, and this is the description here of PyTest. The PyTest frameworks makes it easier to write small, readable tests and can scale to complex, functional testing for applications and libraries. Now we're gonna leave it there for now. We're just getting started with this new section, so tomorrow we'll pick back up. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.